Friends, have you ever recorded a product demo and thought you were done? Then you hit stop and realize the real work begins. Editing, fixing mistakes, and turning it into something professional. Now imagine if all of that could be done automatically. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're taking a closer look at Trupeer, an AI-powered platform that turns simple screen recordings into studio-quality videos in minutes. We'll walk through Trupeer step by step and create a real example. Then we'll see how it transforms raw footage into polished outputs with re-recording, editing, or camera pressure. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Guys, today we're looking at Trupeer, an AI-powered tool that's changing the way technical content gets created. And here's the cool part. You can create studio-quality videos without ever turning on a camera. With AI avatars and over 100 voice options, your content sounds clean and polished right away. On top of that, Trupeer automatically generates step-by-step documentation with screenshots and clear action descriptions. That means you can use it for onboarding, feature demos, or internal team guides. You stay focused on building and explaining your product, and the tool handles the visuals and the writing. Alright guys, let's jump into the platform and see how this actually works. You can start recording right from your browser. Just click Start Recording and you're ready to go. There's also a dedicated Chrome extension, so you don't need to switch tabs or open extra software. Mates, the platform focuses on three main things. It helps you create professional-looking videos, automatically generate documentation, and instantly translate your content into dozens of languages. What makes it really interesting is that it's not just a screen recorder. It works like an intelligent layer on top of your recording. Once you're done, it automatically fixes grammar, removes awkward pauses, and highlights the key actions you performed. So it doesn't just capture your content, it improves it. There's also a brand kit section. You can upload your logo, set your brand colors, and make every video look like it came straight from a professional studio. That's especially useful if you're building a YouTube channel or creating content for clients. Now let me show you how I'd use it. I've prepared a small piece of code, and I'm going to record a quick tutorial. I click on the Trupeer Chrome extension and allow microphone access. Then I choose the language and enable the movable toolbar to make it easier. There's also a countdown before it starts, which helps avoid those awkward moments when you're not sure if it's recording. So I click Start Recording, pick Visual Studio Code, press Share, and the countdown begins. When I finish, I can either fetch the raw clip or generate AI-enhanced content based on it. I can also upload my own if I already have it. Then I choose the language and select a template, or skip templates completely. After that, I generate both a polished video and full documentation. Before that, I can trim the recording, crop the video, or instantly translate the content. Once everything looks good, I click Submit, it uploads, and we see processing your recording. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Alright folks, the processing's finished. That was really fast. Now we can finally take a look and see how it turned out. Let's go ahead and hit play.
I start by opening my folder named Trupeer, and then create a new file. I decide to call this file textblob.py. In this file, I paste my function named Analyze Feedback. This function is designed to create a text blob object to analyze sentiment. It makes use of an object blob for sentiment analysis. If the sentiment value is greater than 0, the function returns positive. If it's less than 0, it returns negative. Otherwise, it will return neutral. I use an example to demonstrate the function. I input Trupeer is an amazing tool for developers. Then I run the analysis using our Analyze Feedback function. At first, I encounter an error stating there is no module named TextBlob, so I proceed to install TextBlob. I refer to the documentation for installation guidance, install the module, and run the code again. This time, the result is positive. Everything is working perfectly now.
This is the result we've got, which is already clean. But now comes the fun part. We can jump in and edit it. Once we open the editor, we get this really convenient workspace. You can see the full transcription right there, which makes the process so much easier. Below that, there's a timeline where you can trim it, cut parts out, or crop it however you like. Everything is super visual and easy to follow. Guys, there's also an AI voice feature, which is pretty cool. For example, if the video uses the female voice Camila, we can switch to another one, like Ryan, and instantly regenerate the voiceover. There is no re-recording needed. You can also add background music and choose a track that fits the vibe you're going for. If you don't want any visuals in the background, you can turn them off completely or adjust them. The automatic zooms we saw earlier can be customized too. Friends, if you want to, you can even add an AI avatar to your video and have it present the content for you. You can add extra elements directly onto the clip, like highlights, blurs, or text overlays. It is also possible to control exactly when each element appears on the timeline, so you've got full flexibility to polish everything. Another great feature is the Document tab. With just one click, you can turn your clip into a complete written document. Guys, then there's the Translate Content feature. Say we choose Spanish, in seconds the entire video is translated. We can instantly preview this version.
Empiezo abriendo mi carpeta llamada Trupeer y luego creo un archivo nuevo. Decido ponerle de nombre textblob.py. En ese archivo, pego mi función que se llama Analyze Feedback.
And you'll see the voice switches to Diego automatically. The background music, visuals, everything we set up is applied. Instead of spending hours manually editing and writing documentation, we spent just a few minutes. One screen recording gave us a professional tutorial, a step-by-step guide, and multiple localized versions for different audiences. Friends, the tool really takes care of all the routine work. It's like the missing layer you didn't know you needed for fast, high-quality content. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. In just one recording, we created a professional walkthrough, structured documentation, and even multilingual versions. What's powerful here isn't just the automation, it's the fact that you're no longer redoing work you have already done. You explain it once and Trupeer handles the polish. If you record demos or walkthroughs often, this speeds up your workflow and cuts repetitive production work. Guys, try Trupeer on your next project, and you'll instantly feel how much of the tedious work just disappears. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.